So we have got an NPV of 0.86. Seems to be a good project, so we're going to say purely on financial ground. Yeah, purely on financial ground. Purely on financial ground, this project is viable. Because it creates a positive $0.86 million. Now the next thing you have to write, still in part A of the question, is we're going to write the notes. Some notes to the assumptions. Yeah. First thing we're going to write here is that PPPT provides, PPPT provides an accurate forecasting. PPPT provides an accurate forecasting estimates for future exchange rates. Alright, so PPPT is the best way of estimating. This is the assumption that we're going to make. We could be wrong, yeah, we could be wrong, but no choice, we have to make this assumption in order for us to do this question. The next thing is we're going to say here is that we're going to assume, assume the risk adjusted WACC, the risk adjusted weighted average cost of capital, i.e. 12%, will reflect the new risk of this emerging market, in the project. Write a few assumptions, write a few assumptions before you go to part B of the question. We're going to make assumption. We're going to assume the financing or the capital structure remains the same. We are not told any of this information. Financing of that 1,000 million dinar. We're not told how are we financing this 1,000 million dinar. We're not told about this. So we assume that when we get that money, either we are using internal funds or we are borrowing in the same proportion as our existing capital structure. Number 4, we're going to assume double tax relief is available double tax relief is available in home country. Double tax is available in the home country, that is in Europe. And therefore there is no need for additional tax on remitted cash flows. There's no additional tax on remitted cash flows. Now the fifth point I would like to say here is assuming there is nil residual value for the machine. Now we're not told anything about the residual value because we have an option to expand. So there's not being mentioned about that we're going to sell off this machine. Assume nil residual value for the machine after 2 years. The last point that I would like to say here is that there is no other alternatives. Yeah, there's no other alternative for the use of funds. That means we're not going to evaluate other projects. We're not going to compare with other projects. Yeah, this is the only project we have, and the money will be used for only this project. So this is how we answer this particular part for the assumptions. Yeah, that is how we do part A of the question, and we just got somewhere around 11 marks.